So if your lights have gone out specifically in the UK, you'll have a box that looks similar to this. Now this could be in a cupboard, it could be on the wall, or whatever it may be. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to take this down here, and there is some different switches that you'll see inside this box. Now as you can see, there is different ones here. So we've got lights first floor, sockets ground floor, kitchen sockets, smoke detectors, lights ground floor, outside sockets, and the different power that is around the house essentially. So what you want to do, if your lights have gone out, for example, what will happen is this will have switched down. So all we need to do to get these back on right is we want to go ahead and press this back up. So sometimes what will happen is the switch will trip, and then that will then cause the switches to come down. So the ground floor socket, for example, will also come down, and the lights on the ground floor. So what you want to do is you simply want to just go ahead and push these back up, and then once you do that and they are all aligned and they are back on, and what this will mean is everything will then be back on inside your house. So that's how simple it is